Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let the world soften. Let the thoughts float like clouds. You are safe here. This is a space for the many versions of you. The curious one, the quiet one, the voice that asks why, and the one who never stops listening. Breathe into that space now. Let your shoulders drop. Let the mind settle. Like snow in a glass globe. You are not two-faced. You are two-hearted, two-voiced, a sacred translator between what is felt and what can finally be said. If your mind is racing, that's okay. It means you're alive. It means your soul is busy speaking. Let the words rise and then drift away. You don't have to hold them all. You're allowed to pause. Let stillness be your new language. Now bring to mind a version of you that you've been judging. Maybe the one who can't focus. Maybe the one who feels too much, too fast. Breathe with them. Say to them silently, I see you. You're not wrong. You were trying to protect me. Thank you. And now, I'm ready to listen with love. Let the voices merge. Let the noise soften into clarity. Let the contradictions become conversation. Gemini, you carry a bridge between minds. Your gift is not perfection. It is perception. Your genius lives in your questions, not just your answers. Feel the warmth there. This is where your magic lives, not just in what you say, but in what you dare to name. Breathe into your voice. Feel it ripple through your chest, your ribs, your whole being. You are becoming whole, not through silence, but through honesty. Gemini, now bring to mind one story you're ready to rewrite. One belief that's been looping too long. Say to it gently, you kept me safe, but I'm ready for something new. With your next inhale, feel that story lift. With your exhale, let it go. Trust that your next chapter will not be written alone. You are supported. You are surrounded. You are listened to, even when you whisper. Gemini, you were never broken, just beautifully multiple. When you leave this meditation, carry your curiosity like a lantern. You don't need all the answers. You just need to keep asking the real questions. And if this felt like coming home, come back, anytime. Then, there's always more to uncover, more of you to meet. Gently wiggle your fingers. Bring movement to your body. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Speak only what's true, and let that be enough.